Question number 1. The headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organization is located in. Correct answer is option B, Bangalore. Question number 2. Which dance form is associated with the state of Kerala? Correct answer is option C, Kathakali. Question number 3. The Indira Gandhi Canal is primarily located in. Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Question number 4. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer is option B, Mars. Question number 5. Who wrote the novel War and Peace? Correct answer is option C, Leo Tolstoy. Question number 6. What is the capital of Japan? Correct answer is option C, Tokyo. Question number 7. Which river is the longest in the world? Correct answer is option B, Nile. Question number 8. What gas is used to extinguish fires? Correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question number 9. What animal is the animal symbol of Australia? Correct answer is option A, kangaroo. Question number 10. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Question number 11. What is the largest ocean on earth? Correct answer is option D, Pacific Ocean. Question number 12. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Correct answer is option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 13. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? Correct answer is option C, Vatican City. Question number 12. Who was the first Governor General of India? Correct answer is option C, Warren Hastings. Question number 13. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Correct answer is option A, 1757. Question number 14. Who is known as the father of Indian Renaissance? Correct answer is option B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 15. The Quiet India movement started in. Correct answer is option D, in 1942. Question number 16. Which dynasty built the famous Khajuraho templates? Correct answer is option C, Chandila. Question number 17. The Constitution of India was adopted on. Correct answer is option C, 26th November in 1949. Question number 18. Who is considered the architect of the Indian constitutions? Correct answer is option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 19. Which article deals with the right to equality? Correct answer is option A, Article 14. Question number 20. The President of India is elected by. Correct answer is option B, Electoral College. Question number 21. The term of the Lok Sabha is. Correct answer is option B, 5 years. Question number 22. The term Green Revolution is associated with. Correct answer is option B, agricultural growth. Question number 23. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 24. The G20 Summit 2023 was hosted by India in which city? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Question number 25. What is the name of the initiative launched by the Indian government for digital literacy? Correct answer is option B, Digital Saksharta Abhiyan. Question number 23. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Correct answer is option B, Karnam Melswari. Question number 27. What is the largest state in India by area? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Question number 28. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Correct answer is option D, 9. Question number 29. Who is called the Sword of Bengal? Correct answer is option B, Kiran Desai. Question number 30. The Eastern and Western Ghats meet at which hills? Correct answer is option A, Nilgiri Hills. Question number 31. Sundarbans, known for its mangrove forest, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Question number 32. What is India's rank in terms of area in the world? Correct answer is option D, 7th. Question number 33. Who is the current Chief of Defence Staff CDS of India? Correct answer is option B, General Anil Chauhan. Question number 34. India's first nuclear reactor is? Correct answer is option C, Apsara. Question number 35. Which is the oldest language in India? Correct answer is option B, Tamil. Question number 36. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Correct answer is option B, APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 37. The Reserve Bank of India was established in? Correct answer is option A, in 1935. Question number 38. India adopted its 5-year plan from which country? Correct answer is option C, USSR. Question number 39. Which state is the largest producer of wheat in India? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 40. The goods and service tax was implemented in India on? Correct answer is option B, 1st July 2017. Question number 41. Which state has the highest population in India as per the latest census? Correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 42. Who is the current Vice President of India as of 2025? Correct answer is option A, Jagdeep Dhankar. Question number 43. Chandrayaan launched on which part of the moon? Correct answer is option C, South Pole. Question number 44. India's first bullet train project is being built between which two cities? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Question number 45. Which organization is responsible for the development of India's space technology? Correct answer is option A, ISRO. Question number 46. The Make in India initiative was launched in which year? Correct answer is option B, 2014. Question number 47. The famous Kaj temple is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Question number 48. The Indian football team captain in 2023 was. Correct answer is option A, Sunil Chhetri. Question number 48. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer is option B, Jupiter. Question number 50. Who invented the telephone? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Graham Bell.